Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
Ouch. Oh my God. Oh, Lord. Beautiful way to wake up. To me, hacking my lungs out. Oh, cool. Unless you don't want me to. I mean, I'm just gonna steal it anyways. Alright, love you. Bye. See you. This is what I wear to bed, but I kind of feel like being bougie right now, so I'm gonna go put my nice silk robe on.
Okay. Booty check, booty check. If anybody wants my tips and tricks, let me know.
Oh my gosh.
Going to work out 7 a.m. What time is it? 7 a.m.
It's totally 7 a.m. everyone.
Right now it's 2.
Don't expose me! It's in the morning. I'm a liar. I'm a fake. I'm a fraud. I'm filming this in the afternoon after classes. You're a hoe. I'm a fraud. I'm filming this in the afternoon. Back to the morning routine. The first product I use. This is the Derma E Radiant Glow Face Oil. Let us do the makeup. Alright, so the first two products that I'm going to use, I just mix this Dior BB cream with this Clinique under eye concealer. Alright, then the next thing I'm going to do is contour, and I'm just taking this little MAC stick and I'm just going to go right under the cheekbone and then here on the forehead like that. Alright, and then the next product I'm going to move on to is this Too Faced bronzer. Gotta use that because get pale in the winter time, so.
I'm pleased to meet ya. I know I'm only 5'8", but please believe ya. Boy, gon' put it down, 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 down.
Because some people don't know when to shut the fuck up and, you know, mind their own business because people like to say things. Okay, and then the next thing I'm using is this really shitty Anastasia or Anastasia, don't care. But I have exploded it, so there's literally nothing left except this one. So I'm going to use the only color that is on this palette. Okay, and so then I'm gonna take this thin brush and this chocolate bar palette that is also cracked in numerous spots, and then I'm gonna take the darkest color, and you can do this with any eyeshadow, and I'm literally just gonna pinch the brush a little bit more, and I'm just going to go right on my eye and just make a thin line, and then I'm gonna just take it and like flick it out, make a little wing. And you don't need to worry about making it too precise because we're gonna fix it in a second. Alright, and so then I'm gonna take my fingernail and I'm literally just gonna drag along the edge. So beautiful. This line could kill someone. Alright, next thing to do is take mascara.
I'm pleased to meet ya. I know I'm only 5'8".
Then I'm going to use the same pencil that I used for my eyeliner, and I'm just going to take brown, and I'm just going to use this, gosh, this, ew, fucking hairs on it, disgusting. And I'm literally just going to line it a little bit. Alright, and then the last thing that I'm going to do is take this What's Up highlighter, and I just like to put a little bit right on the tip of my nose, a super small amount, and I'll put some on my brow bone there, just like that. Alright, so that's the finished makeup look, and then for my hair, I'm just going to take it down. Alright, so I'm just going to make it.
Makes me tremble with it.
That's how excited I got to see you. But he's back.
How you doing?
Tell him where you were, because you were gone the whole weekend.
Oh, I went to Texas for my cousin's wedding. It's a great time.
It was fun. That is good. But I'm happy you're back now.
We'll talk to you.
I love you. And you better stay here this weekend, right?
No, I'll be here this weekend. Just checked it.
Did you just get that?
These are new, yeah.
Like earrings?
Yeah.
Oh, they look very nice.
Thank you very much. What's that?
Well, what are you doing right now since you just got back?
Big out here, you feel me?
Getting strong.
You dig?
That's what I need to do after this, go to the gym. Yeah, you're right. I love you, Julian. Oh my god, he's so sweet. I love him. Okay, and then I'm going to put this Victoria's Secret Crimson Berries perfume that Alyssa got me. I love you, Alyssa. And I'm just gonna spray that. And then I like to use this Stress Relief Aromatherapy Lotion from Bath & Body Works. I'll just put that on my hands. I don't put too much on though. Deodorant. Alright. Okay, so then I'm just going to pick out my outfit.
What my heart says, is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do, it's the things you do, baby. It's the
So yeah, this is my outfit. Super cute top. I got this from American Eagle. No clue where the jeans are from, but they have these really cute holes in them. And I don't know, I just kind of like the low bun with this outfit and the lipstick and then the makeup look. And my nails are just this color. They kind of match my lips. And I'm gonna wear this coat. But yeah, I love you all. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you want to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Alright, bye guys. That was so nerdy. Kiss. Blow.